If you want to learn how to use ChatGPT with your Gmail account, just keep on watching. First step, open a web browser on your phone. You can use Google or Safari in my case. On the search tab, simply type chat.openai.com and press go. This will lead you to ChatGPT's site. Once the application or site has loaded, you'll see that you'll have the option to either log in or sign up. Now, press sign up and it will redirect you to a new page. Just wait for it to load, and once the new page has loaded, you'll see here that you will have an option to either use your email address, continue with Google, or continue with Microsoft account. Just press continue with Google and then it will ask you to enter your email, your password, and even do some verification stuff. Once you've completed that, ChatGPT will load and will now allow you to access the site. The steps left for you to do is to first write or type your name and press continue. Then type your birthday. You have to write the same birthday that you have on your Gmail account. And last is for you to enter your phone number. Once you've completed all steps, you can now use ChatGPT with your Gmail account. If this video helped you, don't forget to press like, subscribe, and the notification bell.